Hi everybody, it's Carlin from the Real Outdoor Experience. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is all about Portable Winch and the accessories that Portable Winch provides through their website and with their hunting kit. We're going to use all the accessories that came with the hunting kit, plus we have a couple add-ons that we'll get to later. I'm joined by Sean Matches. Sean is a captain in the fire service, also a high-angle expert, and that's why I called Sean today, because I am not an expert. So let's get to it. So today's video, as I mentioned, is more about the gear that Portable Winch provides, and we're going to kind of recap how we hang an animal in a tree in the bush, because we get to some situations where you don't have a really nice hoisting area. The trees are all different, the locations are all different, maybe your animal is huge. This is something that we experienced last year on our moose hunt. So choosing a place to hoist is obviously location. Another good one is, just when we were talking about setting up here, is we have different trees, but some of them may or may not be solid trees. So in the case of this pole, we looked at an ash tree and it's not suitable because it's actually dead. So we've chosen this tree here that we're going to hoist our animal with. Today we're going to use a log in the place of an animal because hunting season's not active currently. And then we're going to drag the tree around a little bit, show you some redirects, and go through the different setups, different type of gear.
Folks, we've used Portable Winch products now for years in the field, and they have proven themselves over and over again. I will quickly cover a few safety points that we need to discuss. The winches are not designed as a hoisting device, as there's no locking or safety mechanism to stop the rope from reversing direction. That is where the locking pulley comes in. The winches are also not designed as PPE devices, so personal protective equipment devices, to use in high angle or safety situations. These winches are simply designed to pull. Safety is always paramount when we're working with loads and winching anything light or heavy. Now, we recommend that before you hook up a system, you take some time to learn about mechanical advantages, rope strengths, the types of rope, whether it's static or dynamic, what anchors to use, and how to rig a redirect, and of course, the simple operation of the winch. Portable Winch recommends that you have a locking pulley in the system if you are going to hoist with one of the winches. That's the only exception. Now, these pulleys can be used for a myriad of things. They're self-locking. They have a minimum breaking strength of 40 kilonewtons, which is 4,079 kilograms. This pulley can be used as simply just a pulley or a progress capture device. Before we get to the pulley, we have to discuss redirects. Basically, a redirect is exactly what it sounds like. Today, we had to move these heavy logs around trees and through brush to get to the desired location. To set up a redirect, use a sling, a carabiner, and a pulley. And if you don't have enough pulleys, a single carabiner can be used. However, be aware that this does add friction to the system. Once the pressure is released on the rope at the winch, you can remove the redirect and use it elsewhere.
This particular setup is acting just as a regular pulley. It can be used for redirects or for mechanical advantage. There is no self-locking engaged on this right now. By pulling this pin and engaging the lock, it acts as a pulley in one direction, but also as a progress capture device in the other. Any progress that has been done is captured by this device. So this self-locking pulley and progress capture device is currently locked right now. Depending on the location of the pulley and the self-locking pulley, whether it's high in a tree or low on the ground, might meet some obstacles. If it's high in a tree, using this particular string to reach it is going to be quite difficult. At that point there, we may require a second string to attach to it so that we can access this. We had to attach a string to the locking mechanism. This is going to allow us to unlock the pulley from the ground without having to climb up and do it up in the tree.
These systems are very versatile and can be set up in so many different ways. We discussed several options and tried a couple different setups, but what we found is when the pulley is located close to the winch operator or closer to the ground, it's much easier utilizing and operating the cam lock. You can locate this pulley anywhere, however, ease of use is a big factor. Remember, when using the locking pulley, you must reduce the tension on the main line in order to disengage the lock. Just a quick mention about the knots that we are using. Even though this is not a life safety system, we are using the figure of 8 knot family. These knots are not only safe, but they are easier to take out once you have loaded the rope. There is an arrow marked on the pulley. This indicates the direction of pull. Remember to ensure that the load end of the rope is in the correct side of the pulley. A quick mention about rope. We recommend only using rope from Portable Winch. These ropes are rated and matched to ensure safety when in the system. They are the correct diameter for the winch and all the accessories, and they are static, which means that they will not stretch. Please don't use that standard crappy rope from the hardware store. That could go sideways fast. Thank you for watching our intro video to the self-locking pulley from the folks at Portable Winch. This is a fantastic addition to an already excellent kit. Since we have added Portable Winch products to our gear inventory, there have been no more worries about getting stuck, moving heavy objects, and hauling animals from deep in the bush. Please check out all the great products from the fine folks at Portable Winch. Their website is www.portablewinch.ca. There are many videos on the Portable Winch website. Check them out. They are extremely informative. Special thanks to Captain Sean Matches for his insight and expertise. And thank you for checking out this video. Until next time, don't forget, get your kids outdoors, and always keep it real.